Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for July 2nd, 2024, Part 2. Fly by Brittany J. Thurman, illustrated by Anna Kuna. Africa has a birthmark in the shape of her name. In the classroom, down the hall, out the front door, her birthmark leads the way. After school on Monday, she sees a poster that says, Double Dutch Competition, this Sunday at noon. Meet outside the library. What's a competition, Africa asks her brother. It's when you show the world what you're made of, he answers. That evening, Africa declares to her family, I'm going to show the world what I'm made of. Say what? Asks her mother. Come again, says her father. Huh? Asks her brother. On Sunday, I'm going to jump, fly, double dutch to the sky. Africa feels certain she can double dutch until her shoes are in fast forward, until her feet forget the ground, until she flies like the birds in the sky. She feels certain she can double dutch like her grandma used to. Mama's told her that back in the day, not a soul could beat Nana's fast-moving feet. But Africa, says her brother, you've never double dutched before. You can't do something you've never done. Her brother has a point. Africa has never double dutched. That night, she tries to learn all on her own. Move your feet. Focus, focus, focus. Step to the rhythm. No matter how hard she tries to learn all on her own, Africa thinks there must be a better way. As they get off the bus on Tuesday, Africa whispers to her bestie best Bianca, Bianca, teach me how to double dutch. Never could, Bianca laughs, but I can show you how to dance. Bianca jitters, jives, bounces to the side. It's no double dutch, but Africa joins her. In art on Wednesday, Africa says to Omar, Omar, how do you double dutch? Who wants to double dutch when you can step? Omar says. Omar steps, one foot, then the next, one hand, then the other. It's no double dutch, but Africa joins him. At lunch on Thursday, Africa sees Kay and Laura. Hey, how do y'all double dutch? Can't do that, but we can do Miss Mary Mac, 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 all dressed in black, black, black. Want to join us? Kay and Laura clap and sing. It's no double dutch, but Africa joins them. At recess on Friday, Africa yells to Whitney, Whitney, show me how to double dutch. Double what? Whitney says. Never learned, but I can double cartwheel, double backflip, double somersault. Wanna see? Whitney cartwheels, backflips, and somersaults. It's no double dutch, but Africa tries her best to join her. During piano lesson on Saturday, Africa can't help but look out the window. Tomorrow I'm gonna jump, fly, double dutch to the sky. The next day, Africa walks up to the poster that says Double Dutch Competition today at noon. Africa, her brother reminds her, you can't do something you've never done before. True, Africa has never double dutched, but now Africa knows how to dance, how to step, how to cartwheel, how to sing, how to move her hands this way and that. Everything you need to know to double dutch. Today I'm going to jump, fly, double dutch to the sky. The jump ropes twirl as if two are becoming one. Africa counts 1, 2, 3. Africa sways 1, 2, 3. Africa jumps 1, 2, 3 into the ropes, moving your shoes fast forward, letting your feet forget the ground, flying like the birds in the sky. Africa double dutches like her friends taught her, better than her Nana used to, beating those fast-moving feet. Africa has a birthmark in the shape of her name that's always shown her what she's made of. The end. Alright, we're going to make a glow-in-the-dark pony bead bracelet. Very simple. We have this bracelet form. If you don't have one of these and you're making it without a craft kit, you can use a pipe cleaner, or I guess I call them chenille craft sticks, but they're pipe cleaners. And then you have glow-in-the-dark beads. And if you don't have these, you can use any beads, but I like the glow-in-the-dark ones. It's real simple. All we're going to do is put them on here. I'm going to make a pattern of pink, yellow, green, and blue. See if that works. Hopefully I have enough of each color to do a pattern. You can definitely use these on other projects too. But we'll just finish this up. We should have more than enough beads. Pink, yellow, green, and blue. You can put as many or as few as you want. You might want to just leave it like that. I'm going to fill mine up. Running low on greens. Looks like I'll have enough though. The only thing you have to be careful of is these can fall off easily. So if you can't just slip your wrist into this once it's closed, you have to be very careful. I think I'll fit another stretch of the pattern. Yellow. Exactly enough. Or maybe too much. Oh. And then it locks in here like that. And that's your bracelet. Now I'm an adult and it's probably not going to fit on my wrist. It's a little small. But it should fit on any kid's wrist. Okay, that's it.